starting off, we already have our eyebrows done, and I'm going to prime my lids. You can use either eye primer or a concealer. Alright, my eyes are primed. I'm leaving mine wet because I'm trying out this eye primer. Again, you can use any eye primer of your choice or concealer, but I'm using the Ulta Beauty eye primer in matte. The palette that I'm going to be using today is the Juvia's palette. The first shade is yellow right here, neon yellow. I'm just going to first pat that in, and once I have that yellow shade coated over the eye primer, I'm going to apply more and then blend. Now using the green with my smaller brush, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to apply that on my outer eye, across my crease, and also in my inner eye. I'm going to leave the center free so I can put yellow inside there. Okay, once you have that done, you can apply a little more eye primer or concealer to the middle of your eye. Brush is just a regular eyeshadow brush. I'm going to apply that yellow to the middle of my eye, again patting it in. Okay, once you have a good base of that yellow on your lid, you want to apply the yellow shade on the brush and spray it with any setting spray. I'm using the Morphe setting spray. So I just have that eyeshadow applied on my brush, and I'm going to spray it. And that way it can show up a little more vivid. Next, using the same brush that we applied the green earlier, I'm going to apply it to the edges of the halo so it can blend. Which is just a little smudge brush, and it helps with applying at the bottom lash line. I'm going to use that yellow first. Let me apply some eye primer down there so it can show. I'm going to use my concealer to clean up around my eyeshadow. To apply my glitter by Glitz. The name of it is called Lemon Drop, and I'm just going to apply that to the bottom of my lash line where that yellow is. I'm going to actually apply that glitter also in the middle of my eye where that yellow is. Okay, I'm going to apply my lashes and finish the rest of my face, and I'll be back with the finished look. Right guys, this is the finished look. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, please leave a comment down below with any suggestions. Comment palette 1 if you would like to see me make a look using this palette, or please comment 2 if you would like to see me create an eye look using this. And again, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell right next to it if you would like to receive notifications every time I post. See you later. Bye.